Ever feel like your skin is playing tricks on you? One day it's glowing and smooth, and the next it's dry, oily, or breaking out for no reason. The thing is, your skin is constantly changing, reacting to the weather, your lifestyle, and even stress. So, why stick to the same skincare routine all year long? Taking care of your skin isn't about piling on expensive products. It's about understanding what your skin actually needs and adjusting your routine accordingly. Maybe your winter moisturizer is too heavy for summer, or maybe your cleanser is stripping your skin in colder months. Small changes make a big difference. In this video, we are breaking down 15 simple but effective skincare tips to help you stay ahead of seasonal changes and keep your skin happy all year round. So if you're tired of wondering why your skincare isn't working anymore, let's figure it out together. Tip 1. Listen to your skin. Your skin isn't the same every day, and it definitely changes with the seasons. One of the best things you can do for your skin is to pay attention to how it feels. Many people stick to the same skincare routine year round, assuming that what works in one season will work in another. But the truth is, your skin has different needs depending on the weather, your lifestyle, and even your stress levels. For instance, if your skin suddenly feels tight and flaky, it might be dehydrated and in need of a richer moisturizer or a hydrating serum. On the other hand, if you wake up feeling extra oily, your skin might be producing more sebum due to humidity, which means you may need to switch to a lightweight moisturizer or use a clay-based mask to balance things out. Sensitivity, breakouts, or dullness can all be signs that your skin is asking for a change. Seasonal changes play a big role too. Winter air is often dry, which can strip moisture from your skin, making it feel rough and irritated. In this case, switching to a creamy cleanser and adding an occlusive moisturizer can help. Summer, on the other hand, increases sweat and oil production, so gel-based non-comedogenic products may be a better fit. The key takeaway? Stay flexible. Your skincare routine should be adaptable and not rigid. Don't be afraid to swap out products, experiment with textures, and introduce hydrating or mattifying ingredients as needed. By truly listening to your skin and giving it what it needs in the moment, you'll maintain a healthy, glowing complexion all year long. Tip 2. Hydration is key. No matter the season, hydration is everything. When it's cold, your skin loses moisture due to dry air. When it's hot, you sweat more and lose hydration. So it's essential to stay hydrated both inside and out. Drinking enough water is an obvious first step, but hydration doesn't stop there. Water-rich foods like cucumbers, watermelon, oranges, and leafy greens can help keep your skin plump and glowing from within. Additionally, using the right skincare products is just as important as staying hydrated internally. Hyaluronic acid is a powerhouse ingredient when it comes to hydration. It attracts and retains moisture, helping your skin stay soft and supple. A good hydrating serum with hyaluronic acid, glycerin, or aloe vera can work wonders in keeping your skin balanced. Hydration also means protecting your skin's natural barrier. A lightweight water-based moisturizer works well in the summer, while a thicker ceramide-rich cream may be better suited for colder months. If your skin still feels dry, try layering hydration. Use a hydrating toner followed by a serum and then seal it with a moisturizer. Remember, hydrated skin is happy skin. Keeping your skin nourished from the inside out will help maintain elasticity, reduce fine lines, and give you that natural glow all year round. Tip 3. Never skip sunscreen. If there's one non-negotiable step in your skincare routine, it's sunscreen. UV rays don't take a break, and neither should your SPF. Whether it's sunny, cloudy, summer, or winter, your skin needs protection. Many people assume that sunscreen is only necessary on bright sunny days, but that's a common misconception. Even on cloudy days, up to 80% of UV rays penetrate through, causing long-term skin damage. Winter isn't a free pass either. In snowy places, snow can reflect sunlight, increasing exposure to harmful UV rays. A broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30 is ideal for daily use. If you spend a lot of time outdoors, reapplication every 2 hours is crucial. Sunscreen isn't just about preventing sunburn, it's also key to preventing premature aging, hyperpigmentation, and even skin cancer. If you don't like the feel of heavy sunscreen, opt for lightweight formulas such as gels, fluids, or mattifying sunscreens that blend effortlessly. Tinted sunscreens can also provide extra protection while evening out your skin tone. Make sunscreen a daily habit, just like brushing your teeth. Your future self will thank you for it. Tip 4. Adapt your cleanser. Cleansing is one of the most important steps in any skincare routine, but using the wrong cleanser can do more harm than good. Your skin needs change with the seasons, and your cleanser should change with it. In the summer, heat and humidity can lead to increased oil production and sweat, making gel-based or foaming cleansers a great choice. These cleansers help remove excess oil, dirt, and sweat without leaving your skin feeling greasy. If you have oily or acne-prone skin, a salicylic acid cleanser can help keep breakouts at bay. Winter, on the other hand, can strip your skin of moisture, leaving it dry and sensitive. In colder months, it's best to switch to a cream or oil-based cleanser that nourishes your skin while still effectively removing impurities. If your skin tends to feel tight after washing, it's a sign that your cleanser might be too harsh. Regardless of the season, avoid using cleansers with sulfates or alcohol, as these can disrupt your skin's natural barrier. Instead, look for hydrating ingredients like glycerin, ceramides, or chamomile to keep your skin balanced and healthy. A good rule of thumb: if your skin feels clean but not tight after washing, you have found the right cleanser. Tip 5. Switch your moisturizer. Your skin's moisture needs aren't the same year-round, so your moisturizer should change with the seasons. In summer, lightweight, oil-free gel-based moisturizers work best to keep your skin hydrated without feeling greasy. These formulations absorb quickly and provide just enough moisture without clogging your pores. Look for ingredients like hyaluronic acid and niacinamide to hydrate and soothe summer-stressed skin. Winter, however, demands a richer, more nourishing moisturizer. The cold air, the indoor heating can strip your skin of moisture, leading to dryness and flaking. A thick cream with ceramides, shea butter, or squalene can help reinforce your skin's barrier and lock in hydration. If you have combination skin, consider using a different moisturizer for different areas. Lightweight for your T-zone and something richer for dry patches. Adjusting your skincare routine based on the weather will help keep your skin balanced and comfortable all year round. Tip 6. Protect your lips. Lips are one of the most delicate areas of the face and require special care regardless of the season. Unlike the rest of the skin, lips do not have oil glands to keep them naturally moisturized. This makes them vulnerable to dryness, cracking, and sun damage. During winter, the cold air, wind, and indoor heating can dehydrate your lips, leading to painful chapping. Applying a rich, hydrating lip balm with ingredients like shea butter, lanolin, or coconut oil helps lock in moisture and prevents flaking. Overnight lip masks can also help restore hydration. In summer, your lips face a different challenge: sun exposure. Many people forget that lips can get sunburned, leading to peeling and premature aging. A lip balm with SPF 30 or higher is essential to protect against UV damage. Reapplying throughout the day ensures continuous protection. Exfoliating your lips once or twice a week can remove dead skin and help lip balms penetrate better. A simple DIY scrub made with sugar and honey works well for this. However, avoid over-exfoliating, as this can worsen dryness. Hydration plays a key role in lip health. If you frequently experience chapped lips, ensure you are drinking enough water. Avoid licking your lips, as saliva can strip away natural moisture. If you wear lipstick, choose hydrating formulas instead of matte drying ones. Using a nourishing lip primer or applying lip balm before applying lipstick can help your lips from drying out. By consistently caring for your lips, you can maintain a soft, smooth, and healthy pout all year long. Tip 7. Eat for your skin. Skincare isn't just about what you apply on the outside. What you eat has a major impact on your skin's health, hydration, and glow. The saying, "you are what you eat," holds true when it comes to achieving healthy skin. During winter, dry air and indoor heating can strip your skin of moisture, including healthy fats in your diet such as avocados, nuts, seeds, and fatty fish. These can help nourish your skin from within. Omega-3 fatty acids play a crucial role in maintaining your skin's barrier, preventing water loss, and keeping your complexion plump and smooth. In summer, high temperatures and sun exposure can increase oxidative stress, leading to dullness and premature aging. Consuming foods rich in antioxidants such as berries, oranges, spinach, and tomatoes can help fight free radical damage and support collagen production. Water-rich foods like cucumbers, watermelon, and celery also keep your skin hydrated. Hydration is essential in every season. Drinking enough water throughout the day helps flush out toxins and maintain skin elasticity. Herbal teas and coconut water are also great alternatives if you struggle with plain water intake. Sugar and processed foods can lead to inflammation, which contributes to acne, dullness, and premature aging. Reducing processed foods and incorporating whole, nutrient-rich foods can improve your skin's texture and clarity. Lastly, don't forget vitamins and minerals. Vitamin C found in citrus fruits boosts collagen, while zinc found in nuts and legumes helps with wound healing and acne prevention. A well-balanced diet filled with fresh, whole foods will give your skin the nourishment it needs in every season. Tip 8. Manage seasonal breakouts. Breakouts aren't just caused by hormones, they can also be influenced by the weather. Adjusting your skincare routine based on seasonal changes can help keep your skin clear. In summer, heat, sweat, and excess oil production create the perfect environment for clogged pores and breakouts. If you have oily or acne-prone skin, using a lightweight oil-free moisturizer can help prevent congestion. Cleansing twice a day with a gentle salicylic acid cleanser can remove excess oil and bacteria without stripping your skin. Wearing sunscreen daily is essential, but make sure it's non-comedogenic. Avoid touching your face with sweaty hands and always wash your face after exercising. If you notice an increase in breakouts, introducing a niacinamide serum can help regulate oil production and calm inflammation. In winter, skin tends to become dry and flaky, leading to a different kind of breakout: dryness-induced acne. When the skin lacks moisture, it compensates by producing more oil, which can lead to clogged pores. Switching to a gentle, hydrating cleanser and using a thicker moisturizer can help prevent these breakouts. Exfoliating 2 to 3 times a week with a mild chemical exfoliant like lactic acid can keep dead skin cells from building up and clogging pores. Spot treatments with ingredients like benzoyl peroxide or tea tree oil can be helpful, but avoid overusing harsh acne products as they can further dry out your skin. Adjusting your skincare routine with the seasons ensures your skin stays clear and balanced year-round. Tip 9. Take care of your hands. Your hands are constantly exposed to harsh weather conditions, frequent washing, and sun exposure, yet they are often neglected in skincare routines. Over time, this can lead to dryness, premature aging, and sunspots. In winter, cold air and indoor heating can cause dry, cracked hands. Washing your hands frequently with hot water can strip them of natural oils, making the dryness worse. To prevent this, use a mild moisturizing hand soap and apply a thick hand cream immediately after washing. Look for ingredients like shea butter, glycerine, and ceramides to lock in moisture. Wearing gloves when outdoors can also protect your hands from the cold. During summer, UV exposure can cause sunspots, wrinkles, and dehydration. Most people forget to apply sunscreen to their hands, but they are just as prone to sun damage as the face. Using a broad-spectrum SPF on the backs of your hands can prevent premature aging and hyperpigmentation. For extra care, exfoliate your hands once a week using a gentle scrub or a chemical exfoliant to remove dead skin and keep them soft. Overnight treatments with hydrating gloves or a thick balm can restore moisture. Since hands show signs of aging faster than other parts of the body, consistent care is key to keeping them youthful and healthy. Tip 10. Don't neglect your eyes. The skin around your eyes is thinner and more delicate than the rest of your face, making it more prone to fine lines, dark circles, puffiness, and dryness. Whether it's summer or winter, taking care of this area is essential to maintain a youthful and refreshed look. In winter, cold winds and indoor heating can cause the under eye area to become dehydrated, leading to increased visibility of fine lines. Using a rich eye cream with ingredients like hyaluronic acid, peptides, or ceramides can provide deep hydration and prevent premature aging. Applying a small amount with your ring finger to avoid tugging ensures gentle application. In summer, UV rays and dehydration can make dark circles and puffiness worse. Wearing sunglasses with UV protection helps shield your eyes from sun damage, while an eye cream with SPF can further protect against premature wrinkles. If you struggle with puffiness, store your eye cream or cucumber slices in the fridge for a cooling effect. A good sleep routine also plays a major role in eye health. Lack of sleep can cause blood vessels under the eyes to dilate, leading to dark circles. Drinking plenty of water and reducing salt intake can prevent water retention and puffiness. Regularly massaging the under eye area with a jade roller or your fingertips can improve circulation and reduce swelling. Taking these small steps can keep your eyes looking bright and youthful all year round. Tip 11. Exfoliate wisely. Exfoliation is key to removing dead skin cells, unclogging pores, and boosting radiance. But overdoing it can damage your skin barrier, leading to sensitivity, redness, and irritation. The right exfoliation routine depends on your skin type and the season. In winter, skin tends to be drier and more sensitive. Using a gentle chemical exfoliant like lactic acid or mandelic acid once or twice a week helps remove dead skin without stripping moisture. Avoid harsh scrubs as they can cause micro tears and worsen dryness. Follow up with a hydrating serum and a thick moisturizer to replenish lost moisture. In summer, heat and humidity can cause increased oil production and congestion, making regular exfoliation essential. If you have oily or acne-prone skin, a salicylic acid-based exfoliant can help keep your pores clear. Regardless of the season, avoid exfoliating on days when you use retinol or strong actives to prevent irritation. And always apply sunscreen after exfoliating as your skin becomes more sensitive to UV rays. Finding the right balance will keep your skin smooth, glowing, and healthy throughout the year. Tip 12. Choose seasonal skincare products. Your skincare routine should adapt to seasonal changes, just like your wardrobe. Different weather conditions impact your skin in unique ways, and sticking to the same products all year long might not give you the best results. In winter, cold air and indoor heating can cause dryness, flakiness, and increased sensitivity. This is the time to focus on hydration and barrier protection. Switch to a cream-based cleanser instead of a foaming one, as harsh cleansers strip natural oils. Use a thicker moisturizer with ceramides, shea butter, and squalene to lock in moisture. Layering hyaluronic acid serum underneath helps retain hydration. If your skin gets irritated easily, calming ingredients like Centella asiatica and oat extract can soothe redness and sensitivity. In summer, heat and humidity often lead to excess oil, clogged pores, and breakouts. Using lighter gel-based moisturizers and cleansers helps control oil production without stripping the skin. A niacinamide or green tea-based toner can help regulate sebum. Since sun exposure is more intense, using an antioxidant serum with vitamin C helps protect against UV damage and hyperpigmentation. Mattifying sunscreens can prevent a greasy look while keeping your skin protected. The key is to listen to your skin's needs and adjust your products accordingly. If your winter moisturizer feels too heavy in the summer, switch to a lightweight formula. If your summer cleanser leaves your skin feeling tight in winter, opt for something gentler. Making small adjustments to your routine based on season ensures your skin stays healthy, balanced, and glowing all year round. Tip 13. Keep your makeup in sync with the weather. Just like your skincare, your makeup should complement the season to keep your skin looking fresh and comfortable. In winter, dry air can make skin flaky and dull, which means using heavy powders or matte foundations may emphasize dryness. Instead, opt for hydrating dewy finish foundations or BB creams that add a natural glow. A cream blush or highlighter blends seamlessly on dry skin, giving it a fresh, radiant look. Lips are more prone to chapping in winter, so replacing matte lipsticks with tinted lip balms keeps them soft and moisturized. In summer, Heat and humidity can make makeup melt, leading to clogged pores and smudging. Switching to oil-free, lightweight, and long-wearing makeup products helps keep things in place. A mattifying primer before foundation can help control shine, while powder-based blushes and bronzers prevent excessive oil buildup. Waterproof mascara and transfer-proof lipsticks are essential to avoid smudging in sweaty conditions. Using a setting spray can also help makeup stay fresh for longer. Regardless of the season, always prep your skin properly before applying makeup. Hydrated skin helps products blend better, while sunscreen is a must all year round. In winter, using a hydrating primer, and in summer, a mattifying primer helps keep oil in check. At the end of the day, removing makeup thoroughly is crucial to maintain clear skin. A double cleansing routine starting with an oil-based cleanser to break down makeup followed by a gentle water-based cleanser ensures no residue is left behind. By adapting your makeup routine based on the weather, you can achieve a natural, flawless look while keeping your skin healthy. At the end of the day, skincare isn't about perfection. It's about paying attention to what your skin is telling you. Some days it needs more moisture, other days it needs a break from heavy products. The best thing you can do? Stay flexible and listen to your skin. The good news is you don't need a 10-step routine or the most expensive products to get healthy glowing skin. Just a few simple tweaks like switching up your moisturizer, using sunscreen every day, or drinking more water can make all the difference. It's about consistency, not complexity. So what's one skincare change you'll make after this? Let's chat in the comments. Your skin's got your back, so take care of it and it'll take care of you. See you next time. Until then, keep glowing.